The Orton technique, named after its creator Michael Orton, originated in 1980s using slide film and is sometimes referred to as an Orton slide sandwich. The method originally involved setting up the camera for a scene and capturing two shots. One shot would be in perfect short focus while the other would deliberately be completely out of focus, capturing only light, dark and color elements. In darkroom, after processing the slides, the idea was to sandwich one sharp image and one out of focus image, align them and print them together. This process resulted in a unique blend of sharpness and softness, creating a distinctive dreamy effect. With the advancements of digital technology, this technique can now be achieved more quickly and efficiently using digital files, but the fundamental concept remains the same. Although some professional landscape photographers still employ the Orton technique in their work today, they often use a more refined and subtle approach. However, in our tutorial, we aim to embrace the full dreamy effect associated with the Orton technique. To begin, select a suitable image that will work well with the Orton effect. Scenes with lush foliage such as autumnal forest or waterfalls tend to have a soft and ethereal and romantic feel, making them ideal for this technique. In our case, we have chosen a captivating autumn forest and waterfall scene. Once you have your background image loaded, create a duplicate of it by clicking on its layer thumbnail and pressing Command plus J or Control plus J. Rename this new layer as screen. Make sure the screen layer is active and click on the layer blend mode button at the top of the layers palette. From the blend mode options, select screen. The screen layer will now appear very bright since the brightness of this layer is added to the background layer. Don't worry, as we will adjust this in the next steps. With the screen layer active, create another duplicate by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J, naming this new layer Multiply. Once again, go to the layer blend mode and select Multiply as the blend mode for this layer. At this point, the image may appear excessively dark due to the Multiply layer. However, this can be easily adjusted later on. To modify the overall brightness of the image, we will add an adjustment layer. Navigate to the Adjustments button at the bottom of the Layers palette and click on it. Select levels from the Adjustments menu that appears. An adjustment layer will be added above 3 existing layers. With the Layers adjustment active, its Properties tab will open, allowing us to lighten the midtones area by dragging the middle slider to the left. Now click on the Adjustments button once more, but this time select Hue and Saturation. A Hue and Saturation adjustment layer will appear above the previous level's adjustment layer. Increase the saturation until the image reaches desired level of vividness. As I mentioned earlier, the Orton effect is created by combining one sharp image and one out of focus image. However, all the layers in our composition currently contain sharp images. To achieve the desired effect, we need to blur one of the layers. Now activate the multiply layer by clicking on it, convert the layer to smart object, then go to the top menu bar and select Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. The Gaussian Blur dialog box will open, allowing you to set the blur value. The appropriate value depends on the resolution of your image. In our example, which is very high resolution image, a blur value of only small pixels was sufficient to achieve the desired effect. Very large values do not work very well at all for this effect. Click OK to apply. And congratulations, you have now completed your image using the Orton technique. Feel free to experiment with different strengths and applications of this effect to transform your landscapes into watercolor masterpiece. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. For more Photoshop tricks and tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. See you guys in the next video. Take care and happy editing.